One of my favorite pizza combinations is this simple white pizza with pickled jalapenos and onions. It's so easy, so tasty. I've been eating this one since I was a little kid, so it brings back so many memories for me, and I'm so excited to share it with you. So let's have a little pizza party for one, and let me show you how to make this one at home. I grew up spending every single weekend down the shore at my grandparents' house with my extended family. Everything revolved around food. The next meal, their garden, all their vegetables, staying up late with my aunts and uncles, making homemade pizzas with garden tomatoes and garden peppers. And when it was my mom's turn to make her pizza, her go-to was always this white pizza. It's crazy simple, but so good. In my grandmother's kitchen, they always made pizzas in their regular oven, and they always used these pizza shells, they called them, that were from this Italian market, and they still sell them to this day. However, I moved a little bit further out, but I did find something similar, a little bit thinner, at my local grocery store. I did have my mom make these on one of the Blackstone lives, which you can go back and watch her make this using fresh dough. I can promise you this is probably our whole family's favorite. You can smell it. And everyone asked in the comments for the recipe, so here it is. I've got mozzarella cheese to shred, so much better than bagged cheese, which has that additive to prevent clumping. So shredding it yourself is gonna keep this super melty. Plus this little hand tool makes it super fast and fun. Now extra virgin olive oil goes down first. I'm going to spread it around with a spoon, just a thin layer. Season our dough with some garlic and onion powder, basil, and oregano. Now my mom loads the top with onions, but I'm gonna add some under the cheese and on top of our mozzarella. This way that oil really helps these onions fry up just slightly. Season it a little more with our garlic, oregano, and basil, which really makes this pizza so good. Now for our pickled jalapenos, I know she chops hers up. I'm leaving mine whole for the most part, always drizzling on some of that spicy vinegary brine. This is also a family style favorite for weeknight quesadillas, and sometimes I even add some chicken to that. Our pizza oven is ready to go. I give it an accurate temp check with our temp gun. I'm around 575. I usually like to stay lower than this for pre-baked dough, but we're gonna go for it. So into the pizza oven it goes. Because of the two-stone design, I can turn down our heat or even cut it off completely and let this cook on that residual heat. My toppings will still get perfectly cooked, literally 1 to 2 minutes, and I've got lunch done. The smell alone brings back great family memories. It's those simple pleasures I live for. I know you guys will enjoy these flavors as much as I do, and love the way it leaves your lips tingling from those spicy jalapenos. Enjoy this one with a nice cold beer, and let me know what you think at home. I'm Blackstone Betty. Thanks for letting me share this family favorite with you on Pizza Party.